Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am opening my package from the Milani giveaway win. I entered a giveaway on the Milani's Instagram page and I won it. And it's $500 worth of Milani makeup. And I've done a sneak peek on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's Valerie Dison right here on the screen. Yeah, check me out there if you're not already. But yeah, I did a little sneak peek. I did a minute worth of just taking it out and kind of seeing, but that's it. So we're going to really unwrap it and see what all's in here. So it might be a little bit. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, and if you have any like recommendations like of videos, like any requests of videos of the products that you see in this box, I'll leave them in the comments below. But yeah, just keep on watching. All right, they did a real nice job on making sure nothing got sent busted or broken. So thank you so much, Milani, if you're watching this. I really appreciate that, because I would be heartbroken. Okay, so the first thing that I saw initially was this little package right here, or this little bubble wrap right here. And it looks like it's 4 blushes. Nope, 5 blushes. One's just a smaller one right here. Oh yeah, since I did win so much Milani, whatever I have already in my collection, I will be putting in a giveaway. I plan on doing a giveaway with Ida sometime after our box swap video. We will be like doing a giveaway video, both of us, my channel and her channel, and we planned on doing 2 giveaways. So yeah, and we might do more afterwards, but we are for sure going to do like a Halloween giveaway. But it's going to be sometime after September when it starts. So, or September when it starts, and we're going to do it for a month. But anyways, yeah. So, the first blush is this 05 Coral Clove, I think, Clove, powder blush. And this is very vibrant. And it is beautiful, and I can't wait to play with that. I don't think I have any blushes from Milani in my collection, or have ever tried any. I've always wanted to try the Luminoso one, but I wonder if these, yeah. Because this one says Romantic Rose, and so does this one. So I guess it's just 2 different sizes, so I'll put the small one in a future giveaway. But it's really pretty. It's like a deeper, bronzier blush. And I'm sorry for the lighting. I try to do my best, but it's not perfect. And I don't have makeup on because I'm hoping I have enough time to actually try out these products right after I get done opening them. This one is Tea Rose, and this one is Blossom Time Rose. So yay! I got plenty of blushes now. I'm so freaking excited. And this one is the Milani 01 Flowers of Love Rose Powder Blush Trio. And I was trying to see if these are exact colors of what they just gave me, but I really can't tell, and it doesn't seem like it, or at least this one is not. So I'm going to keep it. But yeah, I'm really excited. I got a lot of blushes. And the next one was this 02 Floral Fantasy Rose Powder Blush Trio. And as you can tell, they're different. So I think this one is more of darker skin tones, but I'll make it work. I'll make it work. So the next package looks like it's 3 mascaras and a primer / mascara. This first one is the Milani Most Wanted Lashes Mascara. And this one is the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. This one is the Dangerous Lynx Mascara. And this one is the new the violet one, Lash Primer Base. It says with mascara too, so I don't know. We will be playing with it, and this is in violet. I don't know. We'll see though. All right, this little package looked like it was a bunch of lip liners. Yeah! I'm excited. Okay, so this one is... You hear Cindy in the background. It's her birthday today that I'm recording. She turned 11. She's watching, I think, TikTok. Anyway, this is the 130 Audacious Pink. This one is Understatement Lip Liner. Oh, this is 200. This is 200 Classy Cherry. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay, this is 190 Sienna Style. This one is 210 Magneta Mood. This one is 160 Cafe Latte. This one is 220 Brazenberry. I think that's how you pronounce it. Like that color. This one's 170 Saucy Toffee. This one is 150 Cinnamon Statement. This one is 110 Nude Entrance. This one is 140 Desert Rose. This is 120 French Rose. And this one is 180 Rich Cocoa. Ooh, sexy. I think I'm going to wait till last to go with eyeshadow palettes, but I got a lot. Next package. I'm really excited about this part. This one is the Green Goddess with Havoc? I don't know. Cannabis Sativa. Oh my gosh, that's hard to say together. Seed Oil Transforming Lip Balm. Oh, it's a lip balm. Let's see. That's cool. Really excited about that one. This is Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. I'm not into lip scrub that much, so I might give this one away just because I really don't need a lip scrub. Next one is the Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask. I'll probably put that in the giveaway too because I don't need help with my lips because they never get crusty. They might get chapped every once in a while, but to be honest, one of these will last me a year, and I already have some lip products in my collection, but I want this one. And this is the Rose Balm Transforming Lip Balm right here, so I'll probably put that in a future giveaway too. Or my sister's birthday is coming up soon too, so I have so many products that I'm never going to get around to, so I have a lot to give away. They also sent me 3 of their setting sprays, and I'm keeping these 2 for sure, and I'll probably put this in a giveaway. This is the Milani Make It Last Matte 16-hour charcoal setting spray. I don't really like mattifying. I like glowy makeup, and I have dry skin, so, but I have had this before, but I don't have it in my collection right now, and I'm going to keep it. Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Love that. Keeping that. Totally. Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. I think I've had this before, and I loved it, but if not, I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to love it probably. They sent me, it looks like the whole luxurious lip gloss set. which I did start collecting and I forgot which ones I actually got, and I have not used any of them yet. They're in a bag like in the corner of my room that I was trying to get to, but I'll put those in the giveaway and I'll keep this set and I'll show you what the colors are. This one, all of these that I'll be showing in this part will be the luxurious lip glosses. This one is in 130 Teen Spirit. This one I do have, and I will put one of these in the giveaway. This one is 160 Kiss from a Rose. I also have this one already, and this is 150 Hello Fresh. I don't have this one, and this is 120 She's All That. I have this one, so one of these will be going in the giveaway. This is 110 Luster Light. I don't have this one. It is 200 Whatever. I don't have this one either. It is 210 So Fly. I do have this one. It is 140 Fanny Pack. And so this one is going to be another one that goes in a future giveaway. I don't have this one. This one is 170 Too Legit. I don't have this one, and this one looks so unique. I've never seen a lip gloss this color. It is 190 Semi Charmed. And I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera as beautiful as it really looks. But it's like a, I don't know, I would say a rosy, purplish, mauve shimmer. And the last one I do not have. It is 180 Power Suit. So these four are going to a future giveaway because I already had them and I hadn't opened them. I was just collecting makeup because I found good bargains at CVS. So these four are going to a future giveaway. So stay tuned. I don't believe I have any of these eyeshadow palettes. So this is the Milani Gilded Gold eyeshadow palette, and let's open it up for the first time together. Wow, I love that yellow, or that gold, ultra glided. That's very pretty. Can't wait to use that. This is the Luster Light eyeshadow palette. Ooh, that has a pretty color too. Or pretty colors. Wow. I like Swagger. It's that one. It's the gold one. Yeah, if you have any request of any of these makeup products that I want out of this giveaway, just leave them in the comments below. Alright, this is Gilded Coast. Look at that. I love Hey Sailor. That's cute. And Shallow is also really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that palette. Love it. This one is Gilded Nude. Ooh, a pretty silver color. That one stuck out to me a lot. And it's called Detox. But oh, so pretty, so pretty. I didn't know they had this palette, but it's Gilded Pastel. That's really in right now, is pastels. Wow. I don't even know. I don't even know what sticks out to me. I want to say the Split the Bill right here, and also Peacocking. It's cute. I love it. This is Gilded Twilight. Ooh. And I think Bedazzled right here sticks out to me the most. And also Girls Night right here sticks out the most to me. But they're all beautiful. All beautiful. Thank you so much, Milani. I can't believe I won this giveaway. And the last palette is the Gilded Jewel palette. Ooh. This is like almost a rainbowish looking palette. I love the crown, a gold, and Frost Yourself. Love that too. But I love all the colors again. Like, I don't have a preference on colors for eyeshadow palettes. I'll try any. Thank you so much, Milani, for hosting that giveaway and giving me a chance to win. And I'm so happy I won it. And to everybody that's watching this, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any, like, request of videos that you would like to see from me using these products that Milani sent me from the giveaway win, just leave them in the comments below. I will be doing a lot of looks using these Milani products for probably at least the next 5 months, to be honest. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and enjoying this giveaway win from me. And so many of you already told me congratulations and I deserved it, and I appreciate all of those comments. It means so much to me. Yeah, please talk to me in the comments below. I love reading your comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you buddies on my next video.